Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Diesel Mercedes YouTube channel. Here you can see my 2008 Mercedes-Benz S550. I'm slowly fixing her up after recent purchase. And one of the aesthetic improvements should be definitely the rims. The rims which you see on this vehicle are not original from Mercedes-Benz. In the year 2008, it could come with base 18-inch rims, and this will be non-staggered, or the higher versions had 19-inch with different sizes in front and back. This is also not that these are 20-inch aftermarket AMG wheels. And if we look in detail on these rims, all of them basically are missing those logos. It should be right here on that silver area. This driver rear rim, for example, if you look at it, there is a lot of curb rash or surface one. It's not horrible. And here you can see the remainings of that glue which was holding that logo, that decal, that sticker with the AMG on it. So if you look around, all of them are missing that. It doesn't look good, and I would like to improve this. Here is the passenger rear wooden rim. That silver rim, it's relatively good. Here is the remnant of the glue from that sticker, and it goes around. Let's finish on the passenger front. This one is scraped most. Guess why? Well, because people are parking next to the curb. So driver side front is pristine like new. Passenger front, if you see the details, it's all scraped. I'm assuming that people ripped off these stickers as they were hugging curb while parking. To my positive surprise, I find out, I went on Amazon, eBay. I mainly shop on eBay, and I found out that you can purchase these stickers. It's not a flat sticker, it's a 3D, three-dimensional. The set of 4 for approximately $12. The seller was showing the dimensions, so I was able to go back to the rim and measure, and it seems to be perfectly matching. So I'm inviting you in this video to go with me and see if it will match, if it will stick, and if it will make any improvement to appearance of this lady Mercedes. This front driver's rim is definitely the nicest. I can see that machining which is on it. Very few little scratches. This one is really nice. Here you can see clearly the size of the rim. It's a not original spec as it came from the factory. I consider this channel basically the site like a forum, except it's video forum where we are sharing what we learned. Just recently, with the purchase of this vehicle, I discovered there is a web page, lastvin.com. You can type your VIN of your vehicle on baby, and it gives you that entire factory spec as it was built, when it was built, where it was built, what option, if it's USA, da 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 da. And since we are talking about these wheels, it confirmed it had the code 770 AMG 19-inch spoked wheels with mixed tires. This vehicle apparently has 772 AMG styling package front spoiler and side skirt. Interesting, isn't it? Now, general rule for any stickers is always perfectly clean the surface. I have all kinds of brake cleaners, engine degreasers and so on. But for such a tiny area, I will just use this hydrogen peroxide. And why will I use that? Well, because I don't want to make a mess on the rim, on the tire, and so on. It's a super small area, and it will evaporate. So there will be nothing left here. It will be perfectly ready for that adhesive on the back of the sticker. As I said, I measured this area first, comparing it with what the seller said. Hopefully, just hopefully, I will do a good job putting it on. But I need a space to work here, so I will move you. It should be very easy to peel it off. Can you see that? I'm sure you do. So, without touching that glue, the adhesive tape which is on the back, I grabbed that, and this is why I moved you. I need some space here to come from a distance towards to it. I never did this, so I will try my best to put it kind of symmetrically on it. Is it even possible? I don't know. What will be the best? This way? Oh. Maybe, just maybe, this will be good. Wow, look at that. Not sure if you see it, because the glare, shine and so on. Let's adjust the camera. Oh yeah, look at it. Is that better? This is nice. This is actually not bad at all. I think these 4 stickers were definitely worth $12. I backed off to show you whole wheel, but that doesn't make any justice to what I did and what I want to show you. So I will try different angles to show you that improvement from shorter distance. This is how it looks in detail, not bad. So I moved to the driver rear. That front was easy, but it will be more work here. So we have that scratched aluminum rim, and here are the remnants of the previous glue. What do you say? What shall I use? The glue gun on it, or what will work? Again, my problem is I'm not going to spray bunch of stuff which will float here between the tire and the rim and so on. I don't want to do that. I normally try to work very clean. Wife calling. I'm afraid to use any brushes or even a razor blade because this is aluminum, it's soft. It will scrape the heck out of it. I know that it will not work good, so I have to be careful. Spraying that glue gun on the shop towel, basically applying it on it. Hopefully it will help me to dissolve it, and then you can scrape it off. For these jobs, if companies send you these sign up credit card samples, or if you had an old credit card, the material of this is softer than that aluminum, so it has a sharp edge, so so it helps to scrape that material off. I went back to the glue gun and I think I almost got it. I will show you the detail. Okay, let's see if I can show it in more detail. Oh, that's actually all I can go. So here we have remaining 3 of them. I will do the same. I don't know what's the best way to peel it off. Oh, I'm wishing myself luck, definitely, to have them all the same, so it looks consistently if somebody walks around the vehicle. Yeah, but this I think, that's it. Yep. Look at that. If there wasn't a glue, it's so quick and so easy. You will just do the really quick sweep of the dust and dirt and your logo is on the rim. And it really looks way different than it was before. I love it. If you like that video, if you find it helpful, please give it all of a thumb up. Subscribe, have notifications so you don't miss the future videos, because this will continue for a while. She still needs a bunch of stuff, but it's good because we are building that amount of content for people, how to maintain, how to diagnose, how to fix, and so on and so on. S550 in these years. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.